Cock-a-Doodle Oops by Lori Degman. Farmer McPeeper was such a deep sleeper, not even an earthquake could shake him. A poke or a pinch wouldn't budge him an inch, 'cause only his rooster could wake him. Then early one morning, without any warning, Rooster delivered a speech. "I've saved up my money to go someplace sunny. I'm taking a trip to the beach. I have it all planned, I'll play in the sand. My feathers will blow in the breeze. I'll run in the sun and have buckets of fun. I'll sleep just as late as I please." "We don't want you to go. If you do, who will crow?" the animals cried. "This is bleak. You'll each take a turn till the day I return. I'll only be gone for a week." "I'm sure I can do it. There can't be much to do," said the pig, as he wallowed in the mud. He snorted with zeal, "Cock-a-doodle squeal." His oink was an absolute dud. "I know that I'm quiet, but I'd like to try it. Here goes," said a shy little sheep. Her cock-a-doodle ba didn't travel too far. In fact, she barely made a peep. "I'll teach you all how. I'm a talented cow. Step back and learn from the master. A one and a two and a cock-a-doodle moo." Boy, what an utter disaster. Next Chicken chimed in, "You know Rooster's my kin. You see we're two birds of a feather." Her cock-a-doodle cluck didn't have any pluck. She blamed her weak voice on the weather. Mule took on the task, though he had to be asked. As a matter of fact, it took nudging. He opened his jaw, cock-a-doodle hee-haw. His bray was a flop, but who's judging? "I'll show you," said the goat, after clearing his throat. "I'm not just a kid anymore." His cock-a-doodle bleat just couldn't compete with Farmer McPeeper's loud snore. "Don't throw in the towel," encouraged the old owl. "I can do the right job." Her cock-a-doodle ooh just didn't ring true. It's a fact, owls hoot better at night. "Thank goodness you're back. No time to unpack. You've got to wake Farmer McPeeper." We each tried to crow, and by now we all know McPeeper's a very deep sleeper. Rooster coughed and he sputtered. He wheezed and he muttered, "There's something I think you should know. The damp ocean breeze made me sniffle and sneeze. My voice is so weak I can't crow." "It's hopeless," said the goat. "If he's got a sore throat, his crow will be far too soft to hear. Since Rooster can't do it and each of us blew it, he'll probably sleep for a year." "I've got it," said Cow. "We can wake him, here's how. We'll call him from the phone in the shed. Rooster's crow will be near him, so Farmer will hear him. Let's hope there's a phone by the bed." Rooster pecked on the keys with incredible ease. They gathered around as it rang. "You've reached the McPeepers. Please wait for the beeper." He took a deep breath, then he sang, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." His crow finally worked. Farmer woke with a jerk. "My joints are so stiff that they creak. My whiskers are stubby. My stomach's all grumbly. It feels like I've slept for a week." He joined them outside and pulled Rooster aside. "Your crow had a bit of a screech. I see that you're sick, and I've got just the trick. What you need is a week beach.